Crypto airdrops have made some users thousands of dollars. Some people received over $10,000 just for using certain crypto apps early. But how do these airdrops actually work behind the scenes? And how do projects send tokens to thousands of wallets at once? A crypto airdrop is when a blockchain project distributes free tokens to many wallet addresses. Projects use airdrops to reward early users, attract attention, or grow their community. Instead of paying for traditional marketing, they give tokens directly to users. Before we continue, if you're interested in crypto tools, airdrops, and practical blockchain tutorials, consider subscribing to the My Crypto View channel. Some crypto airdrops have become extremely valuable. For example, early users of Uniswap received 400 Uni tokens. At one point, those tokens were worth thousands of dollars. Other projects like Arbitrum and Starknet have also distributed large airdrops to early users. Before an airdrop happens, projects need a list of wallet addresses. This list usually comes from activity on the platform. For example, users who traded on a decentralized exchange, used a bridge, or interacted with the protocol may qualify for the airdrop. Once the list of wallets is ready, the project still needs to send tokens to every address. Sometimes, this means sending tokens to hundreds or even thousands of wallets. Sending tokens manually one by one would be extremely slow and risky. To solve this problem, many teams use batch transfer tools known as multisenders. These tools allow projects to send tokens to many wallets in a single workflow instead of manually sending hundreds of transactions. Some modern multisender tools now even include AI-assisted validation to help detect mistakes before executing the transaction. For example, in a typical workflow, the team prepares a wallet list with token amounts. The list is uploaded into a multisender tool, the transaction is reviewed, and then executed from the project wallet. Tools like the AI multisender on My Crypto View add additional validation checks before the transaction is submitted, helping reduce mistakes during large token distributions. Crypto airdrops have become a powerful way for projects to reward early users and grow their communities. Behind every airdrop is a distribution process that sends tokens to many wallets. Understanding how these workflows operate helps explain how some airdrops end up being worth thousands of dollars. If you found this video helpful and want more practical crypto tutorials, consider subscribing to the My Crypto View channel.